Hello students, in this class we'll see real numbers LBA, lesson based assessment for the chapter 1 marks questions. We'll see they're very important questions. Most of them are repeated from previous year question papers 2025, 2024, like that. Please practice them. You may get these in your essay or final exams as well. Let's see the 1 marks questions from real numbers LBA. First question is root 2 is a what number? Root 2 is an irrational number, right? We all know that it's an irrational number. 5 minus root 3 is an, when a irrational number is combined with any rational numbers, it will always be irrational number in addition and subtraction. So this is also irrational number. Rational number in the following is 5 is a rational number, 5 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, 3 root 3 is irrational. Therefore, 5 is a rational number. Which of the following is not a irrational number? Please observe the question properly. Sometimes they say which among them is the rational, which among them is the irrational, which among them is not irrational, not irrational. So you read the keywords properly. Not irrational number means you have to find the rational number. So root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 9 is 3, right? That's a rational number. So means root 9 is not a irrational number. Rational number in the following is, see, root 3 is irrational, root 5 irrational, root 7 irrational, root 4 is a rational number because root 4 value is 2. What is irrational means under the root, if there is no non-perfect square number, then it's a irrational number. 5 is always a irrational number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a example because it's there in the textbook as well. It will have more than 2 factors, so it will become a composite number. Prime factorization of 91. You have to solve that. 91. How do 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Oh, my mistake. 91 is that goes in 7, not 3. 7 1s are, 7 3s are 21, and that's it. So 7 into 13. 7 into 13 or 13 into 7, both are same. The number of primes between 1 and 10. So you have to find number of primes between 1 and 10. 1 is not a prime number, neither a prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest even prime number. 3 is a prime. 5 is a prime. 7 is a prime. 9 is not a prime number. So it will become 4. Okay. We'll move to the next 1 mark questions. Any composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Okay. The prime factorization of 120. 120 you solve by prime factorization. 2 6s, 2 3s, 2 10s, 2 5s. That is 2 to the power 4 into 2 6s, 2 2 3s, 30. 2 30s, 60. 2 2 15s. My mistake it is. I did a mistake there. Pardon me for that. 2 15s, 3 5s. So 2 cube 3 5. If you have one default, you can select that also. That is answer is not that. Just check out browse properly because 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 will be there. The prime factors of 30. 30 is 6 into 5, 6 is 2 into 3. So it will become like this. 2 15 ja 30, 3 5 ja. 2 3 5 are the prime factors. LCM of 2 and 3, because their co-primes, LCM will be always the product of co-primes. HCF of co-primes is always 1. Remember that. Product LCM of co-primes is their product. HCF of co-primes is 1. HCF of 2, any consecutive natural numbers. Take out any consecutive natural numbers. If you don't know the answer, take 4 and 5. HCF will all, these are co-primes, right? Therefore, HCF is equal to 1. What is the answer for that? HCF is 1. Then HCF of any two prime numbers. When their prime numbers means, again they will not have any common factors. For example, that also will become 1. HCF. If A and B are co-primes, again HCF is 1. Note, make a note that the answer for 17 in the answer sheet released by LBA set is wrong actually. So HCF is 1. HCF of smallest composite number. Which is smallest composite number? Say we can say 4. Smallest prime number is 2 because 1 is not a prime number. So HCF of 4 and 2. Let's take HCF of 4 and 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are. HCF of 4 and 2 is only one time it will go. So it is 2. If 1 is a, I'll give a clue. If one number is a factor of another number, then the smallest is the HCF. Highest is the LCM. That is a clue. For any two positive numbers A and B, HCF of a product of HCF and LCM is always A into B. This is a formula. Please remember. It is given in the textbook. Then HCF of 12 and 15 is 3. LCM of 12 and 15 is, means just check out in the HCF is what? 3. Numbers are 12 and 15. Therefore, LCM is equal to 12 into 15 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 60. 60 is the LCM. Okay. Next, HCF of 5 square into 2, 2 to the power 5 into 1. So, numbers are number 1, 5 square into 2. Number 2 is given as 2 to the power 5 into 5. HCF, you have to always pick the common factors with the least powers. So 2 is there, 2 to the power 5 is there. So least power is having 1 here. So 2. 5 square is there, 5 is there. The common factor is 5, but having the least power is 5 only. So 2 5 is a 10, mean or 2 into 5. Both are LCM, HCF only. So answer is 2 into 5. I will move to the next question. Next, two positive integers A and B represented by x cube y square and xy cube. Remember, 22 is important question because we are taking LCM and HCF for the algebraic terms. That is, A is equal to x cube y square, B is equal to xy cube. Then HCF is what? As the previous question we just saw, pick common factors with the least power for HCF. So x cube x is there, x will come. Y square y cube is there, y square will come. So xy square is the HCF. Okay. 23 now. The LCM of A and 18 is 36. HCF of A and 18 is 12. What is value of A? Let's see here. 23 I am writing here. What are the numbers? Numbers is A and 18, right? So LCM is given as 2. HCF is given as 36. Therefore, what is A they asked, right? So it's again based on the relation of HCF, LCM and the products of numbers. That is A into 18 is equal to 2 into 36. So you divide by 18. So A into 18 is equal to 2 into 36. 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja, A is equal to 4. Check out A is 4. If P and Q are the co-primes, HCF of P square and Q square. What HCF of P square and Q square? P and Q are co-primes means their HCF will be 1. For example, if see all these kind of questions you take with example. I'll say let P be 2 and Q 3. So P square is what? 4. Q square is what? 9. Therefore, HCF of 4 and 9 is always 1. If HCF of co-primes is 1 means their HCF square of their HCF is also 1. Clear? Sorry, not this one. This one. Then 180 is equal to 2 to the power x, 3 to the power t square into 5. What is x? You find the prime factors for 180 and what comes for 2 as a power is the answer. So I'll solve here 25th. 180 we have to find the prime factor. 2 9s are 18, 245s are 90, 315s are 3 5s are. So it becomes 2 square 3 square into 5. So comparing you get x is 2. Okay. We'll move to the next 1 marks questions. There are around 28 1 marks questions. 3 are left now. The product of HF and LCM of 15 and 20. So we know that A into B equal to HCF into LCM. So 15 into 20 is HCF of 15 comma 20 into LCM of 15 comma 20, that is 300 is HCF and LCM. Take out. 27th. If A is an odd number and B is a number divisible by 3, this is important question because it is not directly we can understand. We have to take some examples and understand the problem. 27th. If A is an odd number, let's assume A is equal to 3. B is a number divisible by 3. I'll take, you can take 3 also, but I'll take 6. You can take 3 also because it is also divisible by 3. So I'll say B is 6. Now read out. If LCM of A and B, so LCM of 3 comma 6, how much it will come? 6 only because one is a product multiple of another. That is P they said, right? Then LCM of 3A comma 2B. What is 3A? 3 into 3. B means 2 into 6. That is LCM of 9 comma 12. You have to take the LCM. 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 2 3 is a 2 2 is a. So LCM becomes 3 2 is a 6, 6 6 is a 36. So that means just find out your P is what? 6P and LCM of 3A 2B has come 36. So you have to check out, is it P square? Yes. What is 5P? It's not a 5P also. It can be 6P also because 6 into 6. 3P, 3 into 6 will not come 36. Since P square and 6P are matching here, which among them is the problem, right? So it's always P means, so 6 times P. 6 times P will be the answer because 6 is the 36. It might not hold good if I take, see, A equal to 3, I'll take B equal to 3. So LCM of, another example I'm giving, 3. So LCM of 6 comma 6 is what? 3A, 3 3 is a 9, 2B 6. LCM of 9 6 is what? 3 3 is a 3 2 is a 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18, right? So what is P here? So it will come 6P. Okay. Then HCF and LCM of two numbers. This is same as 26 1, 5 and 200. HCF is 5. LCM is 200. Please read properly. Then the product of numbers. This formula plays very important role. The product of numbers is nothing but product of HCF and LCM. That is 5 into 200. That becomes 1000. Okay, 1000. Among these, 27th is only the tricky one we saw. Okay. Thank you. We'll see the next set of questions in the next class.